Hey everyone, LG Graham 2025 series is poised to make a significant impact at CES 2025, with LG Electronics unveiling a diverse lineup of models including Graham Pro 2-in-1, Graham Book. These laptops are designed to uphold the series' renowned lightweight and sleek design while integrating advanced features like on-device AI, thanks to LG's Graham AI technology. This innovation promises to enhance both productivity and performance, offering users more seamless and intuitive experience. One standout feature of the 2025 LG Graham laptops is GrahamChat on-device, which uses a small AI model to process data locally, eliminating the need for an internet connection. This feature ensures fast, secure performance and includes a time travel function that allows users to revisit previously accessed documents, multimedia files, and web pages. Complementing this is the GrahamChat Cloud, which provides cloud-based AI services. The cloud system integrates with calendar and email services for effective communication and schedule management, while also offering access to an extensive knowledge base. Notably, the first year of the cloud service is free, providing users with ample time to explore its capabilities. The fusion of local and cloud-based AI in the LG Graham lineup delivers a personalized and adaptive user experience. This dual approach ensures that the laptops cater to individual user needs, whether working offline or leveraging cloud resources. Powering the new LG Graham laptops are Intel's latest processors. The Arrow Lake Intel Core Ultra H series focuses on traditional PC performance, offering superior processing and graphics capabilities. Meanwhile, the Lunar Lake Intel Core Ultra V series enhances AI-driven functionalities, incorporating Microsoft's Copilot Plus for advanced features like AI-generated images and real-time video subtitle translation. Among the standout models in the LG Graham 2025 lineup, the LG Graham Pro 17Z90TR is tailored for intensive tasks such as 3D rendering and video editing. Featuring an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, this model combines high performance with a lightweight design. Its 17-inch WQXGA display supports a variable refresh rate of 31 to 144 Hz and delivers vivid visuals with 400 nits of brightness. The laptop weighs just 3.26 pounds, has a 90 watt-hour battery, and offers up to 32 gigs of LPDDR5X memory with storage options of up to 2 terabytes. The LG Graham Pro 16Z90TS is another highlight, offering unparalleled portability at just 2.73 pounds and 0.49 inches in thickness. Equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and Intel Arc graphics, this model is the first in the series to include Microsoft's Copilot Plus for enhanced productivity. Its 16-inch WQXGA display and Dolby Atmos-enabled audio further elevate the user experience. For creative professionals, the LG Graham Pro 2-in-1 16T90TP stands out with its convertible design and wirelessly charging stylus, which earned it a CES 2025 Innovation Award. Meanwhile, the entry-level LG Graham Book 15 U50T offers a budget-friendly option with a 15.6-inch Full HD display, expandable storage, and a privacy-focused HD webcam, catering to everyday computing needs. The LG Graham 2025 series demonstrates a commitment to innovation, combining cutting-edge AI features, robust processing power, and lightweight designs. Details regarding pricing and availability will be unveiled at CES 2025 and during the global launch later in the year, setting the stage for LG's next chapter in redefining mobile computing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.